Good morning, and let's walk you through the top 5 stocks that you need to keep on your radar this Monday morning. Well, it is dominated by quite a few results. So let's begin that with Vodafone Idea that came out with its numbers post-market as Friday. Revenues came in at 10,894 crores. You had this versus 10,791 crore rupees. The company posted a mammoth net loss to the tune of 4,532 crore rupees, and the EBITDA margin stood at 39.3% with EBITDA at 4,286 crores. Goldman Sachs maintains a sell rating on the stock with a target at 3.2 rupees, saying that the focus remains on his stretched balance sheet and that Vodafone Idea subscriber erosion has definitely moderated in Q3. They continue to lose revenue market share. Capex as well is continuing to decline, and they maintain a sell rating with a 74% potential downside. Watch out for Apollo Hospitals. It was a healthy set of numbers, so to speak, as the top line growth came in at 2,759 crores. That was a bit lower on a year-on-year basis compared to 2,911 crore rupees. The net profit stood at 130 crores, which was up nearly 42% on year versus 92 crore rupees. Margins were driven by better margins across the segment, and EBITDA was up 9% for the quarter at 390 crores. Well, Goldman Sachs has maintained their buy rating on the stock. They've in fact upped the target price from 2,440 rupees per share to 3,020 rupees per share, saying that the hospital occupancy continues to improve. They raised their FY21-23 EBITDA estimates by up to 7%. Meantime, Glenmark is a stock that came out, a company that came out with their numbers, and that was pretty much in line with what the street had penciled in. Sales came in at 2,786 crore rupees. This is versus 2,735 crores. You had the profit number at about 234 crores versus 190 crore rupees. EBITDA at 530 crores versus about 440 crores, and margins came in healthy at about 19% versus 16.1% on a year-on-year basis. The US sales were down 4% sequentially at $106 million. Meantime, Siemens India as well came out with their numbers post-market as, with revenues at 2,925 crores versus 2,537 crore rupees. Profit stood at 295 crores versus 265 crore rupees. You had the margins absolutely flat at 12.5% versus 12.75%, and EBITDA stood at 367 crores versus 323 crores year on year. Watch out for Havells too in today's trading session, as the company is planning to set up a new facility to manufacture washing machines in Ghiloth, which is in the state of Rajasthan. They've got an estimated investment for this plan at about 65 crore rupees and an annual capacity of 3 lakh units. The company is also planning to set up a new facility to manufacture air conditioners at Sri City in Chittoor in the state of Andhra Pradesh with an investment of about 250 crores. Havells is on Morgan Stanley's radar. They have a target price of 1,200 with an overweight rating.